Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to activate UNO number using UMANG app. So let's see one by one. The first step is to this initiative will the government was started from August 1, 2025. So for activating UN activation you need two app. One is UMANG app and another one is Aadhaar Face RD app. So remember this two app is necessary. For that you need to install from Play Store. So first let's go to Play Store and then we start. So from Play Store you need to install. First type from search box Aadhaar Face RD or Face Auth you can type. And this there is a option one second one if you see. So this is the app you need to install first. So click that and install. When you click install it will automatically install, but it will not show from app list. Okay, so you need to remember that. And the next step is UMANG app. So UMANG app is also installed from Play Store only. So I have already completed, so I am cancelling the step. From Play Store you need to install the UMANG app, and then you need to click the open icon, and from if you see there is a dialog box option here, you need to search. There will be suggestion also it will come. So based on that you need to search from EPFO. So you can search EPFO and click search, and if you see in department there is an option called EPFO. Okay, you need to click. After clicking this you can see various options like download UAN card, UAN allotment and activation, UAN activation trending, face authentication of already activated UANs, view passbook. So first we need to do what step means. First you need to click UAN allotment and activation, this step. So after clicking this it will go to first it's showing Aadhaar Face RD is must, so you need to install from that. After that there will be a screen will be coming, so you can click install and then UN allotment and activation, and you need to enter your Aadhaar card number and your phone number, and you need to click the checkbox and then submit. Okay, after submitting that, in step 4 if you see we are in right now in the step 4 step UN allotment activation. After clicking you need to enter your Aadhaar number. If you see I have give detailed step, enter your basic details of Aadhaar number and Aadhaar linked mobile number. So Aadhaar number, Aadhaar linked mobile number, click the checkbox and then send OTP, and you will receive the OTP from respective number. And the next step 7 is after successful authentication, the UMANG app will prompt direct you to the Aadhaar Face RD app for facial biometric authentication. For that, you need to show your face not front to the camera, like little bit back towards, so that it will the face alignment will be green color, and then you need to blink 2 times so that the image will be captured. After completing all the six, after conducting all the steps, you can go with you will receive a message called your UAN number successfully generated and activated, and the default password will be registered to your mobile number will be delivered. So you will receive a UAN number and the password, and the last step would be you may change your password. So the last step you need to go with this link, unified portal mem EPF india.government member interface. I will post this link in description and comment section also. If you need, you can click that. And you need to enter your UAN and your password that you got from the message, and you need to click sign in. After sign in, you will receive a OTP and you need to enter your captcha and then submit. Again you will get one OTP and captcha, then you will prompt to login. So after login, you need to click the contact details from the website, and you need to add your email ID and you can check your details from there. And you also download your UMANG card, like your UAN card in this website UMANG app also. So you can click this download UAN card. You need to enter your UAN number and your date of birth. After entering all this, you need to click submit. From submitting, you will directly prompt to the download page of your UN card, and that's it. You have successfully completed. And for view passbook page, once your company is allocated your details, you can view your passbook amounts, and there is a number also you can dial and check your balance. Okay, that's it from this video. If you have any query, you can post. Thank you so much for watching and kindly subscribe. And if you like this video, kindly like. Thank you.